How to fix Binance login error on Android. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix this issue. Let's get right into the video. First thing you have to do is make sure that you have a stable enough internet connection, because if you don't have a stable connection, what usually happens is Binance will not let you log into your account, or if you have set up any two-factor authentication, then it will be blocked as well. So if you're on Wi-Fi network, try switching over to mobile data, and if you are on mobile data, just try switching over to Wi-Fi network. After doing that, just open up your Binance and make sure to try to log into your account. If that doesn't work, then you're gonna have to head over to its app info on Binance, and then from here, just tap on the storage option. Now click on clear cache. You could also try to clear its data if you want. I'm not going to do that right now. What it essentially will do is refresh your app and make it brand new as if you just downloaded it. But you're going to have to log in once again. And then from here, head over to permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed for the app to run smoothly. And after doing all of this, try force stopping the app, which will restrict all of the background activities or cancel any activity if anything is going on in the background. And that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.